In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fund your MetaTrader 5 account. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting your financial journey, understanding how to deposit funds into your MT5 account is a crucial step. Let's dive into it and make sure you're set up correctly. First, you'll need to navigate to your broker's website. Once there, sign in using your account credentials. This will typically involve entering your username and password. If you're new to MetaTrader 5 or trading in general, remember that it's vital to keep your login information secure to protect your financial data. After you've successfully logged in, look for a section labeled Funding on the main dashboard or menu. Clicking on this will direct you to the funding options available on your platform. This is where you'll manage the money going into and out of your trading account. Once you're in the funding section, you'll want to find and click on the option that says Deposit. This is the button that will initiate the process of adding money to your account. Next up, you have to be certain about which MetaTrader 5 account you wish to fund, especially if you have multiple accounts. Look for the specific live MT5 account number that you plan to use for your trading activities. Select this account, as it's crucial that the funds go where you expect them to. Once you've identified the right account, go ahead and click the Deposit or Add Funds button associated with it. This will bring you to the selection of deposit methods available. Here's where you decide how to transfer your money. You'll see different options, such as credit or debit cards, which are standard and often very quick. You might also find e-wallets, known for their simplicity and ease of use, and bank wire transfers, which are reliable but can take a bit longer. If you're into digital assets, some brokers also accept cryptocurrency. Choose the method that works best for your needs and convenience. After selecting your preferred deposit method, enter the specific amount you wish to add to your account. Be mindful of any minimum deposit requirements your broker might have. Now, proceed to provide your payment details. This might be your card information or account details depending on your chosen funding method. Double-check everything for accuracy before confirming the deposit. Finally, once you've confirmed the details, verify that the deposit has been successful by checking your MT5 account. You should see the new funds reflected, allowing you to start or continue trading. And that's it. You've successfully funded your MetaTrader 5 account. By following these steps, you'll ensure a smooth and efficient deposit process, allowing you to focus on your trading strategies and goals. Thank you for watching, and happy trading!